Thank you for choosing Mulch and Seed Innovations and our line of straw and reclaimed cotton plant material hydro-seeding mulches. HydraCX2, HydraCM, and GeoSkin have proven themselves time and time again to provide exceptional erosion control and promote vegetation establishment. Extraordinary product performance, as well as the outstanding marketing efforts of North American Green and our network of domestic and international distributors, have made our products a favorite of many engineers, landscape architects, erosion control professionals, and hydro-seeding or hydro-mulching contractors. Let's now take a few moments to highlight some application procedures that we have found to ease application and yield tremendous results. Some of these methods were developed based on internal testing, while others are simply the compilation of feedback received from end users. Thank you again for your time, and we sincerely hope you will find this video to be helpful and informative. The hydro-seeding machine should first be filled with enough water to suspend the seed and soil amendments. We recommend adding the seed and soil amendments to the tank before adding the mulch. In this particular demonstration, seed, fertilizer, and lime were used. We suggest taking a soil sample at the application site to determine the proper amount of fertilizer and soil amendments to be used on your particular project. Once the seed and soil amendments have been sufficiently suspended, it is time to start adding the mulch. Mulch should be added as the tank continues to fill with water. The suggested water-to-mulch ratio for our products is 100 gallons of water for every 50-pound bag of mulch. Please be sure to use the working capacity volume as opposed to the total liquid capacity of your machine when calculating the number of bags to add per tank load. As repeat customers have grown more familiar with our products, many have used water-to-mulch ratios less than 100 gallons per 50 pounds. But 100 gallons per 50 pounds is a good place to start. Loading rates should be confirmed with equipment manufacturers. We strongly recommend that no additional tackifiers or binding agents be added to the slurry for HydraCX2 or HydraCM. These products have been designed to perform under their intended application conditions, and no additional tackifiers or binding agents are needed. Too much tackifier, or the wrong mix, can actually have a negative impact on performance. When using some mulches, it may be necessary for the operator to break up the compacted bales to ensure the mulch can be properly mixed by the machine's mixing mechanism. Our hydraulic erosion control products and HydraMulch fall right into suspension. There is no need to break off blocks of mulch with your hands when using our products. Like many other fiber hydro mulches, our mulch products, which contain straw, reclaimed cotton plant material, and a proprietary blend of tackifiers and additives, require mechanical agitation. Neither HydraCx2, HydraCM, nor GeoSkin should be used in a jet-agitated machine. It is a good idea to let the HydraMatriCx products mix for 15 minutes before application to ensure that the tackifiers and binding agents have been completely activated. Oftentimes, the suggested mixing duration can be satisfied during the final stages of loading the tank and driving the loaded tank to the application site. Therefore, this suggested mixing time should have little to no impact on how rapidly a hydromulching or hydroseeding professional could apply the products. Our products are in many ways very different from wood or wood and paper mulches, and therefore have a different appearance during and after application. If you are new to our products and have grown accustomed to metering the amount of wood mulch applied to a site by visual inspection, you will likely need to measure the site for your first few applications of GeoSkin, HydraCM, or HydraCx2 to ensure that the intended application rates are achieved. This can be even more important for product demonstrations, where achieving the intended application rate will be instrumental in demonstrating the product's capabilities. It is acceptable to keep the agitator speed high while mixing, but as it comes time to spray, the speed should be reduced. If the agitator paddles are spinning excessively fast during application, there is a greater chance that air could be trapped in the slurry, resulting in cavitations. These air pockets can cause spray bursts from the cannon or hose, low pressure at nozzle, or clogs. If your machine is equipped with variable speed agitation, you should set the agitator speed just fast enough to keep the mulch in suspension while spraying the mulch. This is a good example of the appropriate mixing speed. When using a hose, it could be helpful to pump a small amount of mulch out of the hose before connecting the nozzle to lubricate the hose and lines. When possible, spraying directly down into the soil helps incorporate the seed and mulch slurry into the soil, which provides better seed to soil contact and promotes growth. Lofting the mulch into the air and allowing it to fall gently down to the ground can be a good way to fill in bare spots, but should not be used as the exclusive application method. Ideally, the mulch should be applied in two opposing directions to prevent shadowing and ensure more even coverage. Shadowing describes a situation in which complete coverage is achieved when viewing the site from one direction, but exposed soil becomes obvious when viewed from the opposing direction. Clean out the lines and hoses at the end of a day of use. Dry mulch left in the lines and hoses could become quite difficult to remove. If you follow or have your customers follow the procedures described in this video, we are confident you will be satisfied with the results. HydraCX2, HydraCM, and GeoSkin do a great job of promoting vegetation establishment. These products naturally contain nutrients that are gradually released and made available to the emerging vegetation and are beneficial to overall plant health. All of our products are made from straw and reclaimed cotton plant material, which provides for a low carbon-nitrogen ratio. Therefore, our products require less nitrogen from the soil for decomposition than products with higher carbon-nitrogen ratios, leaving more of that nutrient available for plant growth. HydraCX2 is an alternative to erosion control blanket for slope protection and has proven its performance through testing at TRI Environmental, Texas Transportation Institute, and San Diego State University. Only natural fibers are used in the production of HydraCX2, HydraCM, and GeoSkin. Our mulch products do not contain any synthetic or man-made fibers. It is important to us that you achieve your desired result when using our products. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact Mulch and Seed Innovations, North American Green, or your local HydraMatriCx and GeoSkin distributor.